Hello everyone, and today I'll be showing you all a 3D printer that we have made as a Mechatronics project. So this is our 3D printer. As you can see. For the outer frame of this printer, we have used square aluminum pipings to create its full structure. And as you all can see that there are stepper motors attached. We have used the stepper motors for the movement of all the three axes of this 3D printer. Here, this is the nozzle head, and this nozzle head will be moving along the x-axis, and this is our print bed. It is the print bed which will be moving along the y-axis, and there are two stepper motors for the smooth easy movement of the z-axis, for the up and down movement of the nozzle head. And here this is also a stepper motor which is a part of an extruder. So here is the main control unit and the circuit of this printer. We have used RAM's 1.4 board, and which is connected to our Arduino Mega 2516 here. And over here these are five stepper motor drivers, and these small switches are limit switches. And so for our coding portion, we have used a free open source code which is known as the Merlin Firmware, and this is the code. We have configured this code according to our desired dimension of our own 3D printer, and all this code has been already uploaded to our Arduino Mega. And for our printing operation, we'll be using another software which is known as the Pronterface, and this is the main interface of the software. So the Arduino Mega is already connected to our laptop, and we have also switched on our SMPS. So the first thing is to connect the Pronterface software with the 3D printer, and so the printer is connected to our laptop. So after connecting our 3D printer with our Pronterface software, we just have to load the G code of our object that to be printed. So here is our code. So this is a small cube that we're going to print. This is the object. So just we have to click the print, and the printing operation will begin. So let's start. So after some time, the printing process will begin. Here you can see it is processing the object. Here you can see the printing process has begun. So this is how this printer will be 3D printing objects using PLA filament. So that's it. Thank you.